Hello everyone and welcome to Coin Engineers. Today I will show you an amazing airdrop chance, but before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on. Now let's just jump straight into our video. So today we will make some basic transactions on Parallelchain Testnet Explorer because Parallelchain got a $50 million in its investors fund round. And we think they might give some of that funding money out to the early users and supporters. And compared to other testnets, the transactions we will make today is fairly simple. So we just open testnet.parallelchain.io, and as always, you will find all the links in the description box below. And after opening this web page, click on this little icon. Now, as you can see, I created my wallet to show you because getting your faucet tokens lasted more than 30 minutes. And I didn't want you guys to wait for 30 minutes or it would be too long to make this video. So I just created this wallet, but it was a fairly simple process. Just click on this button and you will see a create account button here. And then you will create your account. And after you create your account, just click on this faucet and you will get this much of CXPLL tokens. Now, we will just stake these tokens into these 4 pools. As you can see, the pool names Bob, Alice, David, and Charlie. Now we will stake in these pools, and this way we will test Parallelchain's testnet, and as I said, we will be rewarded in case of an airdrop. So let's start with the Bob. So click on this stake tokens icon and click on stake. So here you will need to input the amount you like to stake. So let's say I just input 500,000. Now let's click on stake and confirm the transaction. As you can see, it says stake submitted. Changes will be reflected to your account within 1 or 2 minutes. So let's confirm it. And this way you'll learn how to stake. So we will make the same transactions for all of the pools. Let's continue with Alice. So click on this button again. Now, as you can see, as I said in the beginning of the video, this transaction is still on hold and we are waiting for it to reflect on the web page. Right now, the Parallelchain testnet is fairly slow because there might be a huge hype on it, but you just learn how to stake it. As I said, you will make the same transactions and same processes for each of these pools, and that's all you have to do now. And we are one of the earliest supporters of the Parallelchain Testnet Explorer, so this might bring huge rewards if they announce an airdrop. We will share the latest updates on Parallelchain airdrop chance, so make sure to join our Telegram channels. We will share all the latest updates about Parallelchain testnet and airdrop chance on our Coin Engineer community Telegram channel, so make sure to join our Telegram channels from the links in the description box below. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. As I said, if you have any problems or any questions regarding the Parallelchain testnet, you can ask us in the comments or also on the Coin Engineer community Telegram channel. So with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.